Getting ready to go to Silicon Valley Cars and Coffee. I picked up another claw, used the 1/4-20 ball here and mounted on the back of that, and then I can do some other fun shit. The other fun shit is this. I have a ram ball mounted to the car as part of the windscreen upright. I don't expect this is going to be a particularly great view. Here I'm merging onto California 85, heading north. This is not exciting. It's not the place where the 7 really does well.
2 minutes later.
This is a new one for me. My GoPro completely locked up. I thought it fell off the car, but no, it just completely locked up. Nothing happening. It's just completely not being a GoPro at the moment. As we pan across the parking lot. So many Porsches. Oh, and then the Fire Nation attacked. Nice E30 with Honda's LS. That's gotta be fun. It's a cab. Gorgeous Alpha. Just nice. Beautiful GTV. I would love to have one of these if they weren't now $1 million. The M2 that got into the bonbons. Absolutely gorgeous E-Type. Yeah, MG with the small block, like you do. I'm into the color of this 993. Oh, if I didn't have the 7, this would certainly be on my short list. My friend Nick's Exocet. K-powered, supercharged. Really high quality build on it. For an Exocet, it's amazing. And the car's making a weird sound now. Had a huge backfire. Massive backfire, make it a weird sound. We'll see. I think I'm missing on a cylinder. Something's not quite right. And this thing is running rough. Ugh. Definitely a 3-cylinder. Just sitting here in the garage idling. I just pulled in. You can kind of hear what's going on. The car's running rough. Good times. So looking it over, the injector plugs are in place. They didn't pop out. There's a little bit of oil here. That's not related. That's another issue. Basically, it's this plug is leaking. The real issue, which is amazing, is that. That's the O-ring that seals the ITBs to the head. Wow, okay, so apparently my Backfire blew that out. But why? I'm missing some screws here. Let's just back right the shit out. Now they've been in there for 4 years, and I'm not saying that I'm particularly a great mechanic, but yeah, it's bad of me not to have checked that at this point. So new O-rings, new screws, clean everything up, bolt it all back together, use a little bit of blue Loctite, and I should be good to go. As a side note, I still think it is dumb that GVS uses those really tiny, thin O-rings instead of actual Ford OEM Plenum gaskets, but that's just me.